How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, tap on open. Jump into your profile and then tap on the 3-bar icon on your top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below and tap on report a problem. At this page, go at the bottom and tap on to submit a report. Here simply write your issue. Once you write your issue, you can also attach a photograph. To do that, tap onto this gallery icon and add a screenshot. Once done, tap on submit. All you have to do is wait for your TikTok notification. You will see that under system notification in your inbox. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.